this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. So today I want to bring you something interesting for you, and many of you might be doing some analysis or research during these weekends. You are supposed to do as a trader, do some analysis on the weekends whenever you have time to understand the market movement. So that way you will be more attached to the market also and understand these movements. So today I thought of giving you some lead on the financial astrology for you to make a start on your own for making analysis on market movements. Actually, there is a direct relationship between the stars and the planets and the market movement. So you would have heard from this about this from many of them. Okay, so it is like millionaires do not believe in astrology, but billionaires believe. There is a saying. Okay, so this is what happens. Actually, astrology is all about. So we'll just start directly in the astrology and understand what is all about. To start with, there are 27 nakshatras. Okay, there are 27 nakshatras totally, and starting from Ashwini and going all the way to Revati. This is the sequence. There is no change in sequence. You can do the same sequence only, and every nakshatra is controlled by particular lord. So these are the lords for each and every. For Ashwini it is Ketu, and for Bharani it is Venus, for Kritika it is Sun. So this way for each and every nakshatra there is a lord assigned, and they are the lords who are controlling these nakshatras. Okay, so how the market impacts is particularly happens because of few planets and few nakshatras. So what are they? I'm not going to tell like all 27 nakshatras. You can just see this. You can Google it also and find it out. Let's go to the presentation. So for every star I told you which is controlled by a particular planet. So there are 9 stars which are dominating out of 27 nakshatras. Only 9 stars are dominating and controlling the market or influencing the market. We can tell it could be an upside or downside, but significant movement happens on those days when the nakshatra happens on particular day. So the starting is Mrigasira, which is Mars, then Chitra controlled by Mars, then Dhanishta controlled by Mars, Bharani, Purva Palguni and Purvashada. All these three are controlled by Venus. Then Arudra, Swati and Shatabisha. All these 3 planets are controlled by Rahu. So all these 9 stars, the 9 nakshatras controlled by these 3 planets have a direct influence on the market movements. So this cannot be like you can tell 100% accurate. You can tell at least 80 to 85% accurate and works most of times. So how I want to demonstrate this through the data for the month of August, which August everybody remembers. So coming to the data, day-wise data, if you see starting from 3rd August till Friday. 3rd August it was a Monday, it was Shravana Nakshatra, up to midnight it was, and it was the market was down by 560 points. And 4th August Dhanishta up to midnight. So if all this, if you see day-wise I mentioned here, all this what I mentioned here is 9 nakshatras falls on these days, 5 days actually. So the 5 days out of 9 days, out of 20 trading days, we have 9 days which is having the major movement of up to 300 points plus on any day. Either could be gap up or gap down or during the day market mode. Okay, it doesn't have any significance. So it is a big day where 300 plus points or 300 minus points closed as compared to previous day close. It is not a high. We are just seeing the close to close. So this is the change happened. Out of 9 days, it is 5 days are controlled by these 9 planets. Okay, now we shortlisted the planets. Now this particularly the Mars, the day out of 7 days, 5 days are important for us. Monday to Friday. Out of the 5 days, Mars is controlled by Tuesday, Venus is controlled by Friday. So these 2 days are very important.
11 o'clock.
If it's these 2 days are very important. If you see here on the 5 days where we have seen Tuesday, there are 2 days, and then Friday, 2 days, 3 days. So day wise also if you see 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 days we have major movements. So if you add that also, considering this Mars Venus perspective, so we have 5 days plus this one also 6 days, and then 1 day, another 1 day. So it was 7 days. So out of 9 days, 7 days we are covering considering these 2 aspects, Mars Venus, which is Tuesday Friday, or these stars. A combination of these 2 only, you can see major movement will be able to capture it. So it will be game of probabilities, that whether it will be a gap down or gap up, but there is a chance on that, whether how we can capture this move, whether we can take position before the day itself or during the day. I made some other analysis also on that, and I will show you what is the analysis. So this is the Bank Nifty. I have taken the data from 2017. Here open, high, low, close, and what is the, so this is a change. This is a change compared to previous day. Okay, and 17,969 and 18,066 points. And this way I have taken the complete data till 20th August. But I'm just seeing here opening gap. So what happened to the open? Whether as this open as compared to the previous day close, how many points gap up or gap down? So that also I have taken note. So if there is a chance, for example, I'm making a mark here as major move. If the movement is more than 300 points, if you just change here, for example, it is 500 points move as compared to previous day close. How many days? You can see here 87 days total. If I tell here 400 days, 400 points means 143 days. You can see the change here. And then if you put 300 days, how many days move? So 246 days, the major move happened in the last total 905 trading days. So out of this 246 days in the last starting from 1st January 2017 till yesterday, there are 240 days where we got movement of more than 300 days. So whether we got opportunity to enter the market or not, I just decided based on the opening gap. For example, here we got 420 points, but opening gap I'm assuming 100 points. If the opening gap is less than 100 points, then I'm telling yes, or the opportunity is yes. Otherwise, I'm telling no. So I'm telling you, if the opening gap is less than 100 points and the total change is 300 points, then we got 19 times chance that we can enter the market. So 19% chances, 19 days is how many percent chance? This is a percentage, 40%. 40% of time we had a chance to enter the market during the intraday itself. Okay, now let us see here. If I change here to 150 points, opening gap is less below 150 points and the total gap is more than 300 points, then we have 15% chance to enter the market on intraday basis. So this is the all up 150 points. If it is, there is the gap up is more than 300, gap up or gap down is up to 50 points, then you have 24% chance only to enter the market on intraday basis. This is one analysis. So how you want to take the market based on the open PCR is another angle. You can see the based on the closing PCR, you can take the chance also. If the day's close is PCR is more than 1, then you can be bullish and take a positive position, bullish position and buying calls. Okay, just make the analysis also. That's a one way you can see how to get into the position. That's the only clue you have. Where the PCR is more than 1 means, then you are less near the 1.95 or something like that, then you can go for it. What is the chance? Okay, if you take a straddle, long straddle means, then it will be costly, then you may not get major return. The same way, if you take a you take only one position, the market moves on the other side, then you have a loss also. So this everything is your decision. So the disclaimer is that any decision you take to buy or sell, everything is in your hands. Okay, it's not a suggestion for you to trade only like this only or something. It is just educational purpose on financial astrology. So you take a decision on your own basis, do your own analysis. I'll not be responsible for any losses or something. Based on this, you take a trades. So this is one lead for you. I'm giving you to make your analysis, and you can try your give new edge to your trading style. This is a day wise. If you see here, major days, how many days we got, minor days, how many days we got. This also I given you for indication. Most of the times all the days are equal only, but we have to see what stars are there and how big movement came also. You have to filter it out and see. So you do some backtest analysis for this way, and then that way you can give some lead for the September series also. It's going to be interesting for you to do the analysis in the next 2 days, and I'm thinking, expecting that you will like this video. Please subscribe, like the channel, so that you don't miss out any videos that I post to you, which is going to be on new topics every now and then. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Have a happy trading day on Monday. Thank you.